Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the phone. Charge it to at least 50% and connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network so the download won't fail. Once done, make sure you back up your photos, contacts, and settings to the cloud or to a PC. That protects you if something goes wrong. Next, open Settings, go to System and Updates, and tap Software Update. This starts the process and lets the phone check for the latest available package. You tap Check for updates and review the size so you know how long it will take and whether storage is sufficient. While downloading over Wi-Fi, make sure free storage exceeds the update size by at least 500 MB to avoid failures. Once the package finishes, the phone validates the file to ensure integrity. This step prevents corrupted installs, so wait until validation completes. If validation passes, the installer will prompt you to schedule or apply the update now. You choose Install Now, then let the phone reboot and complete the installation. Do not power the device off mid-process because that risks bricking the phone. After the reboot, confirm the system version in Settings and Test Calls, Wi-Fi, and critical apps to ensure everything works. If the update fails, clear the cache partition or retry the download. If problems persist, connect to a PC and use Huawei Y6S for recovery. That lets you reapply firmware safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.